who are playing here today. So the main idea behind promoting football is to have Goa progressing at national as well as international level. Goa is known for its football sports across India, not only India, across the world, across the globe. So many players have gone and played for different clubs and different parts of the nation and different parts of the world. So again, let me congratulate the entire club, their secretaries, members, GFA who have also been part of supporting them. Let me just tell you, Goa has already started Bandharoga Trophy. The third season also going to start soon, and government has already invested so much money into football. This year, special grant of another 5 crores has been made for promoting football through different activities. It started from this year. It was not that previous year. So we support football at the maximum. We have Goa Football Development Council. 36 centers are running across the Goa. We have SAG. We have Director of Sports and Youth Affairs. There are different wings which works together to promote football and sports in state of Goa. So I won't take much time. I would request Betalbatim Sports Club, please also have, now these are players who have been trained and they are playing well. You will have some kids in your area, maybe under 14, under 18, under 16, under 17. There is one scheme called a diet coaching camp. So we, sports department, we entirely sponsor that coaching camp for 21 days. And there is no cost to the club, there is no cost to the Panchayat. You can always move that. So I was talking to Bonnie and entire team, Alvin Bab. They had come to me, they will surely send me 2 games for which we entirely sponsor that diet coaching camp, wherein kids get entire kits, right from jerseys, everything. Then 21 days diet is also given to, along with coaching, every day 21 days. So you identify some kids from these areas, and department will surely help them to. I know there are times when people don't have those kids, they don't have training, coaching, and that's the way they are lagging behind. So
आमच्या भोवमानादीक पादवेकाराच्या नांवान आयची फेस्तांची परबी सगल्यांक आनी जावन एकल्याक आवडटा. आमचो पात्रोन भाग्यवंत आमकां सदांच राखता, सांबाळटा. सगल्यांचे तो आशीर्वाद घालूं. म्हाका आमचो प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर हर्षय पंदासान इतले पयसच्यान येयलो आसा. आमचो भोवमानादीक पादवीकार पाद्रियान, आमचो सरपंच फादर लिनो, फादर लुसियान, आनी आमचे मनाचे सोयरे जे हांगासून माचयेर आसात. प्रेसिडेंट आनी वांगडी बेतालबाटी स्पोर्ट क्लब आनी म्हाकाच्या दोनूय टिमीच्या मॅनेजर आनी दोनूय टिमीच्या दार भाशेन तेंचे कॅप्टनाक आनी सगळ्यांक तुमकां गोंयभोगाचो येवकार.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.